Hi guys, Tech James here. So this new kind of Street Fighter game came out for the PS Vita. It is actually a homebrew game, so I just thought we would take a look at it in this video. It's kind of like Street Fighter, but the characters are made out of like pixels. It's kind of weird, but I'll show you guys anyway because I thought it looked pretty cool. So if you guys want to follow along and get this as well, all you want to do, go ahead and open up Vita Shell like normal. We are going to go and connect our PS Vita over to our computer. So let's press select, go and connect it now, and I will show you guys how to get the game.
Okay guys, so once you're on your computer, I'll leave a link to the Vita Fighters demo in the description of this video. Now keep in mind that this is a demo, this is pretty much brand new. It does actually look really cool, but there isn't really much to the game yet, so if you want to get it now and just test it out and have a quick look, maybe it's worth getting, or you can wait until more updates have been added. But all we want to do is just click on the download link here, and it will download the VPK file for us. Now you can also click on developer's site, and it will take you to their Twitter. You can read some more about it. There's like a screenshot of it here. I'm pretty sure they're going to be posting some more stuff on their Twitter, so if you really like the game, you can go ahead and follow that as well. And there you go, there's actually a video of what it looks like, so it's actually looking pretty cool so far. Anyway, once we've got the VPK file, all we want to do is go to our downloads folder and just find it in here, and just like normal, we're just going to drag and drop it across onto the root of our PS Vita. So that is literally it for the computer. I will go onto my PS Vita right now, I'll install it, and I will show you guys some gameplay.
So once we have got the game, let's go onto our UXO just like normal. Let's scroll down, and here it is, Vita Fighters demo. So this is a demo. I'm not expecting it to have much on the game. I'm not expecting you to be able to do much yet, but let's just install it and let's just check it out, because apparently they have done some work to it and it is pretty much playable. So let's just go ahead and install this VPK file. Okay, so once that is installed, let's just close out of Vita Shell and let's go and find the app. So here it is, Vita Fighters. Let's go and start this one up. It was actually made by Unity, just like most of these new PS Vita homebrew games. I really like the ones that are made in Unity just because they're really good quality. So this game, it does have music and everything like that, and sound effects as you're fighting. Now you may just notice it booted me straight into the game. That is because the menu is not even working yet. But what you can actually do, you can press start, and we've got everything on here. So we've got options, you can press square to go into stuff. We've got music, sound, let's just go back. We've got controls, so you can read all of the controls in here. We have got, actually there is actually two players, so as you can see there's player 1 and player 2, which I thought was pretty cool. There's special moves as well, you can pretty much just read everything. Back to main menu, if you press this, the game will actually crash, and then we've just got resume game. So which one am I? I'm playing as this character right here, so as you can see I can do these special moves and attack this person. So there is a few lag spikes on it, but I'm pretty sure you can actually use the CPU plugins just to make it a bit faster. And as I said, this is like a this is a demo, so they're obviously going to improve it a lot and make this a lot better. But right now it's pretty cool. You can pretty much get the gist of it, see what it plays like, and it's generally a pretty good game. So if you guys want to get it and test it out, maybe it's worth a try. Hopefully there will be some more updates soon, and maybe when it's really good, I'll make an update video on it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. This is the game. Let me just show you what happens when you launch the menu. So if you press start, back to main menu, and then do yes, it will actually completely crash the game because the main menu does not even exist yet. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys this quick game. It's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Like this.